Lesson 12, video part 2. Okay, so now I have lots of time, but I'm not going to take it all. So this is on page 420, on page 420, and we are going to discuss how to fill out this question. So go to this page, go to number 6, and create this chart inside your blank space. Pause me so that you can do that. Okay, next, fill in what Evie has. She collects stickers. She has 1 100, 1 10, and 2 ones. Please fill that in here. Okay, she has, oh, I need my writing tools. She has 1 100. She has 1 10. She has 2 ones. How much is that if we put them together and condense it into one number? That means she has 1 1 2, 112 stickers. Okay, so now Mrs. Smith is going to speed along ahead to the next one I wanted to go to, which is number 35. Okay, so on this one, I'd like you to do the same thing. Pause now and draw this chart. I would have expected you to probably draw this chart in the classroom in order to help you collect your thoughts. So take your time, pause it, and draw it. I mean, I took the time to draw it. Okay, so now what we're doing is we need to figure out how the difference between number 15 and the number 115. And one of the best ways to show that is to first just create them in these charts. So that's what we're going to do. So if we look at the number 15, are there any hundreds? No. There is only 110. And how many ones? 5. Okay, now I want you to do 115 in your chart. Draw that now. Pause me so you can do that. Okay, how many hundreds? 1. How many tens? 1. How many fives? 5. So they do have some similarities. The 5s are the same. The 5 in the 1s is the same, and the 1 in the 10s is the same. What is the number 15 missing? It's missing a whole 100. So if I were writing, and I have to write down here now because I've used up all my space, I would probably say the number 15 is missing 100. That is why it is different than 115. That's not the only way to phrase that answer, but that's how Mrs. Smith would probably phrase it if I were going to answer this for my teacher, and I hope it makes sense to you. All right, guys, this was a short video. I hope this you enjoyed our lesson 12, and hopefully you'll have time to do some art today. We are drawing an astronaut.